Hi, I'm Tineeh. I'm 14 and I come from St. Scholastica's Academy. And my network leader is Ate Jel Patterson. Bago ako mag-invite, I was shy and lazy. I was shy because I felt like people might say I'm weird. I was trying to question myself, like why invite people if I'm coming now. For the past youth gigs, I was able to invite like approximately 20 people and I felt like so fulfilled because I was able to bring people to God and make them feel God's love. Na-realize ko na dapat mag-invite ng mga iba pang tao kasi para sa akin, bringing people closer to God can change them. I encourage you to keep on inviting people and to just not stop and just believe even if it's kind of hard to invite them because God never fails us. So if we keep on inviting them, like God will bless us more. And they say that if we honor God, then He'll honor us too. I love God, make disciples, and I impact the world.